Let's talk about the research phase of logo design. I have a full visual research stage that I do after I get my brief and I do some mind mapping. And this is how I do it. I take a list of words that I've come up with in mind mapping, and I find simple black and white icons that relate to those words. Stamp icon, bird icon. I just want simple black and white images for all of these words. Next, I find competitor logos. I also look for logos with the same company name as my client. If the client's name is Wren Stationery Company, we want to look for Wren logos. Actually search this in Google. And then I also want to look at lots of visual references. So I want to look at typography, color palettes, photography styles, and essentially make a mood board for my client. Things that inspire me and that I might want to take into the rough draft and final phases of my project. And then I dump all the images I find onto a board. I love using FigJam for this, which is a product of Figma, and it's free. And it's a great collaboration tool, so if you're working with a client or you're working with another designer, you can all have your same visual research in one board. Anything that inspires me, I want to drop it into this board and have it in one place. This is going to help me design and also just help me see patterns. What is commonly used and what do I maybe want to avoid in my project? Like, let's say all the competitors have a bird in their logo. Maybe I don't want a bird. I like to pull this visual research up and just have it in front of me as I'm designing and throughout the process. So it gives me visual references to look at throughout the whole project. If you'd like to learn more about how to do visual research, check out my free workbook at the bottom of this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and logo design tutorials. Thanks so much.